Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a sunrise scene with a dreamy house, a peaceful waterfall, and a vibrant morning sky full of life. Let's dive in. To start, I'm using yellow, orange, and red to create a warm, glowing background for the sunrise, and I'm blending the colors smoothly, starting with the yellow to the orange and the red. So once the background is ready, I'm using titanium white to paint a bright, radiant sunrise. On the right side, I will blend it gently with the yellow to give it natural glow. So don't it already feel like a new day is beginning. So next I'm adding a far green belt and some tiny trees to the set the scene. There are a distance element, so I'm keeping the stock lights and blending them softly in the background. So now it brings some movement in the painting with the calm waterfall. I'm using mixed of white and light blue for the waterfalling from the top and adding hint of reflections at the base of the realistic touch. So in the center of the painting I am adding a big beautiful tree that will act as a focal point for this painting. I am using deep brown tones, and for the leaves a mix of dark greens and lighter highlights to give it depth. So now it's time to add the dreamy house. This little house will set nested under the tree looking cozy and magical. I am painted it with the soft colors, giving it warm and inviting feel. It is a kind of place you would love to wake up. So bring life to the scene. I am adding some birds flying gracefully across the sky, and I am using simple V-shaped stalks for the birds to keep it easy and minimal. So finally I am adding a few highlights and shadows to bring everything together. So I hope you enjoy this painting as much I love creating it. If you try this yourself, please share your work in the comments or tag me on the social media. I would love to see it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beginner friendly painting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy painting everyone. Let me know if you would like to any adjustment in this painting. this this will help me to creating more beautiful and easy paintings for you guys.